8. A great monster you are, sparing none, blind as you are, taking the young, the old, the rich, the poor, the lame, and the vulnerable. Oh, a great monster indeed. For everyone has got choice and an opportunity cost, which you don't possess. Why don't you take a decision? For you don't try or sound a certain way. Why don't you put yourself to a meaning? Oh, the everyday monster. You cannot be summed up into one definition. For those who try to abstain, you get away into through road accidents. If one survives both, you thereby rushing through blood transfusion. Oh, why don't you help it on us? Taking the innocent ones, whom you look for from mother's wombs, scaring everyone and denying nature, due to fear of acquiring you. When man acquires wealth, he becomes proud. When you acquire, you live misery. Oh, what a hell you are! Most pretentious you are, when you hide in our blood and come out at a later age, showing up through skin rashes, vomiting, diarrhea, unadult fever, tuberculosis, among others. Why don't you warn us earlier so as to do away with you? My fellow students, our parents, our beloved teachers, let's always try to listen and understand, for we shall conquer the great monster.